Here's a power move to do astral projection. Astral projection is the experience of stepping outside your body and exploring reality with your awareness alone. Number one, it's super cool, and number two, it has this side effect of making you really good at manifestation. Check it out. If you're new here, I'm Michael. I help you master your energy so you can up spiral your life. If you're into that, follow me and click the link in my bio. So for astral projection, you don't need incense or crystals or props. You only need awareness. Because wherever your awareness goes, you go. The truth is, most people live like they're locked behind their own eyes, as if your consciousness is trapped inside your body, and it's not. Quantum physics teaches us about non-locality. It's the fact that things can be connected across vast distances instantaneously. In other words, you can quantum locate outside your own body. Try this. Picture yourself on the ceiling looking down at your body. Just watch yourself sitting there reading your phone. At first it feels like imagination, like you're pretending. That's okay. Keep going with it because it's not pretense, it's proof. It's proof that your awareness isn't locked inside your body. What you're doing there is quantum projection in its simplest form. It's literally just a shift in perspective. And here's where it gets really cool for manifestation. Because at the quantum level, observation matters. Because what's observed and how it's observed changes what shows up in reality. In other words, the act of paying attention alters the field. That's not mysticism, that's physics. Neuroscience tells the same story in practical terms. Mental rehearsal lights up many of the same brain circuits as actual physical action does. In other words, your brain doesn't know the difference between what's real and what's imagined. And that's not your brain being stupid. That's your brain being aligned with how reality is actually set up. Because it's inaccurate to think that material reality is set in stone. Material reality is as changeable as your imaginal reality inside. Outer reality is just a particular form of dense energy. Your imagination is also energy. Your brain codes outer energy or inner energy as the same. And this is great because you can legitimately use neuroscience visualization techniques to practice quantum projection. Now, why does all this matter? It matters because quantum projection is a training ground for you being in complete control of your reality. Quantum projection shows you that perspective is portable. And if perspective can move, so can reality. And you can accomplish this by using the visualization techniques that pro athletes use. And you just did it a minute ago when you looked at yourself from above. The moment you step outside your body for even a few seconds, you see the larger picture. Reality, your reality, it's bendable, it's not fixed. It's malleable according to the dictates of your mind, your choice, your imagination, and your creativity. So here's the power move. Practice shifting your awareness like you did before. Float above, step behind, drift up to the corner. Each time you repeat the exercise, you'll get better at it. Each time do it for a full minute. And after 30 repetitions, you'll hit a tipping point. And then you can start to use quantum projection to make changes in who you are and how you show up and what shows up in your life. And you will start living life on your own terms. Write my terms in the comments to remember all of this in your body. My terms in the comments. Like the video, follow me, and click the link in my bio. I'm enrolling my program in manifestation right now. And that program lives inside its own app. And inside that app, there's a community of people, and we're all up spiraling our lives together. Vibrant beings, have a great day.